Hey everyone, this is Brina from MetaView, and I just wanted to talk about the little plants that you guys all got this morning as part of our MVG Kids program that we're doing this year. What you guys have is we call these guys little plugs. So when we go ahead and we grow these guys in little cells, and we grow anywhere from about 48 to 105 of these little plants in one of the cells that you guys saw us taking the plants out of this morning when we were giving them to you. Now, what you're going to want to do is you do not want to plant these particular ones into the ground yet, and we're going to cover that in one of the additional videos. But I do want to go ahead and take a few minutes to kind of show you how to take care of these plants. Basically, you're going to want to go ahead and get any sort of container. Here we use our 4-inch little plastic pots, but if you don't have any pots at home, anything that is bigger than these. So imagine if this was in an egg carton, you want something that's bigger than an egg carton. These guys are going to go ahead and live in those containers for about another 2 to 3 weeks until May 15th, at which point you can plant these outside. That's our frost-free date. You can also go ahead and put these guys in containers. So if you're gonna do that and keep it indoors as an indoor plant or as part of a fairy garden or anything like that, you can go ahead and get that container and plant these guys directly into those containers right now. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pot and you're gonna wanna go ahead and spread open the roots just a little bit. We're just getting some of the extra dirt out, and the roots were really compacted because they were in these tiny little cells. And we just wanna go ahead and spread out the roots a little bit so that way once we put it in our container, and we have just regular old Fertilome soil is what we use here, but you can use any soil. You don't really want to use the dirt from outside. You want something that has a little bit more nutrients in it than that. So you're just going to go ahead, and once you fill up your container, you're going to make a little hole in the middle, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to plop your plant down and make sure it's completely covered. Once it's done like that, you're going to want to make sure you water it. Now these guys are all sun patients, which means they like sun. So make sure you put them in a sunny location until it's time for them to plant outside if you're going to take them outside. You can also go ahead and take them outside during the day and bring them back in at night. We just want to make sure that they stay above 35 degrees at all times. So that's how you go ahead and redo a little plug that you get here from MetaView Growers.